Hello guys, welcome to AMJ channel here. Today, let's do a scavenger hunt. This is my list. If you see any of these, let me know. Okay. We got this pencil to check this in, and I think I know just where everything is except worms. I think I see a worm. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay, a butterfly. I did see it today. Okay. I think we got this checked. A flower. There's flowers there. They have been bitten. There's these flowers that we planted a long time ago. There's those flowers over there.
Okay, so you got flowers. You can check them off.
Okay. Flowers.
What's next?
Okay, a leaf.
Ooh.
I know where they have been bitten because it does say a bonus point. They have been bitten here. Those plants have also been bitten. And there's also some on those plants.
Okay.
And there's
next?
way more around the yard.
Okay. What's next?
Okay. A snail. I think it's not like a black thing. That's like a worm, but like a snail, like the same time. It's like somewhere over here. That black thing? It looks like worm or something. What is that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Centipede, probably.
It'd probably be one of these, so like I'm gonna check. Flower pot? I don't know, like tons of flower pots on that one. It was the same spot. Oh yeah. There's one over there,
The green
two
pepper
over
plant.
there, one there,
Yep. Okay, so you
and
can
there's
check it
some
off.
more over there,
Yep, you can check it off.
and some over there. A ladybug. I saw some like 20 minutes before we even started this video. It was like over there, so I think that should be it. Okay, a watering can. It's like in the garage. We put oil in it for some reason. A cloud. There's some clouds up there. It's a big cloud there. Twig. Twigs are right here in this tree.
Good job.
A bee. I think it's a bee.
There was one earlier over there, right?
Yeah, I think there was one earlier over there. And one tackling with my boots, so I had to change my shoes. Okay. And I know where the ants are. We should come over here. There's some ants over there. There's a lot of ants. Right here, there's even some over there.
Yep. Okay, so you can check that out.
A stone.
Oh, there's plenty of those.
Easy. Right there. Tons of stones. Even in that water bucket.
Yep. And anything left?
I think we have grass. Grass is everywhere.
Everywhere.
And this is like a bonus one. I heard birds earlier, so I think that's done. Okay, bonus hunt. Something soft as that. I'm just gonna check it off. I don't want to write. Hard. That tree road is hard. Oh yeah, this is hard. Spiky. Ooh, those plants have thorns.
They're
Shiny.
really squishy.
It's like one of these rocks over here. It is like shiny in some places in the rock.
Okay. So you can check it out. What else?
There. And round. Oh, I saw a magnifying glass. My grandpa gave it to me. Smelly, the garbage can. I think we have our whole list done. I'm gonna put check and my name. Okay. Here is my list.
Good job.
Okay. Like, subscribe, share, and psych out.